Rejection. It's a word that makes most people uncomfortable. A moment that crushes confidence and a force that halts dreams in their tracks. But what if I told you, rejection is not your enemy? It is a tool, a necessary challenge, a stepping stone to success. The difference between those who crumble and those who thrive lies in how they respond to rejection. Right here, right now, it's time for you to reclaim that power. No more wasting time on self-pity or fear. Today, you're going to learn how to take rejection and turn it into your greatest weapon for success. Because the world isn't going to wait for you to feel ready. It's time to act. It's time to change how you see failure. Let's dive into the 7 principles that will transform rejection from a setback into your launchpad to greatness. Principle 1. Redefine rejection. Rejection is not failure. Rejection is feedback. The world has conditioned you to see rejection as a signal to stop, to retreat, and to doubt yourself. But that mindset is exactly what holds you back. Intelligent, successful people don't fear rejection. They redefine it. Rejection is simply an indication that something needs to be adjusted, refined, or improved. It's a signpost, not a stop sign. When you get rejected, the first step is to detach your self-worth from the event. Remember this, you are not your rejection. It doesn't define your value, it defines an opportunity to learn. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? What needs to change? This shift in mindset is the foundation of resilience. The moment you stop fearing rejection, it loses its power over you. Principle 2. Embrace the discomfort. Success requires discomfort. It's that simple. Rejection is uncomfortable because it exposes your vulnerabilities. It forces you to confront weaknesses, limitations, and fears. Most people run from discomfort, but not you. From this moment forward, you will embrace it. Why? Because discomfort is where growth happens. Every rejection is a chance to expand your limits, to push beyond what you thought you were capable of. Think about it. When was the last time you grew from something easy? You didn't. Growth comes from challenge, from adversity, and from discomfort. Lean into it. Welcome it. Because the more comfortable you become with discomfort, the less control rejection has over you. Principle 3. Separate emotion from logic. When rejection strikes, it hits you emotionally first. Your mind spirals. I'm not good enough. I'll never make it. Why even try? But these thoughts are emotional reactions, not logical truths. To master rejection, you must separate emotion from logic. Pause. Breathe. Ask yourself, what are the facts? Not feelings. Facts, you didn't get the job. The fact is, someone else was a better fit. Your idea was rejected. The fact is, it wasn't aligned with their vision. That's it. No drama, no personal attack. When you focus on the facts, you stay objective, grounded, and in control. Emotional reactions lead to irrational decisions. Logic leads to growth and progress. Principle 4. Shift your focus from outcome to effort. We live in a results-driven world, and it's killing your progress. Success isn't about the outcome, it's about the effort. You cannot control every result, but you can control how much effort you put in. Rejection often feels devastating because you tie your worth to the outcome. But what if you shifted your focus? What if your goal was no longer about winning or losing, but about showing up and giving your best effort? Every single day, this mindset will liberate you. It puts the power back in your hands. Because effort is within your control. And consistent effort over time guarantees progress. Rejection becomes irrelevant when your focus is on doing the work. Principle 5. Build an unshakable resilience. Resilience isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. Brick by brick. Rejection is one of the most powerful tools for building resilience. Each rejection is a chance to strengthen your mental and emotional toughness. You don't build resilience by avoiding rejection. You build it by facing it head-on. Every time you get rejected and choose to get back up, you are training yourself to be unshakable. And let me tell you something. Resilient people are unstoppable. They don't fear failure because they know they can handle whatever comes their way, and that is the mindset you need to cultivate. Principle 6. Reframe failure as progress. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is a critical part of it. The only people who never fail are the ones who never try. Every rejection, every failure, every setback is progress in disguise. It's proof that you're in the game, that you're pushing your limits, that you're taking action. Reframe failure. See it for what it truly is. Progress. Every rejection is a lesson learned, a skill developed, a step closer to success. Principle 7. Take immediate action. The final principle is simple. Act. Rejection has a way of paralyzing you. It fills your mind with doubt, fear, and hesitation. But successful people don't wait. They don't hesitate. They take immediate action. They use rejection as fuel to move forward. Don't sit and overanalyze why it happened. Don't dwell on what could have been. Take the lesson, make the adjustment, and take the next step. Action is the antidote to fear, to doubt, and to rejection. You cannot think your way to success. You must act your way there. Rejection is not the end. It's the beginning of something greater if you choose to see it that way. Redefine rejection. Embrace discomfort. Separate emotion from logic. Focus on effort, not outcome. Build resilience. Reframe failure as progress. And most importantly, take immediate action. Rejection will never control you again. Because now you know the truth. Rejection is not your enemy, it is your greatest teacher. Use it, grow from it, and turn every rejection into success. The power is in your hands. Now go out there and make it happen. We have more interesting videos about Stoicism and the way of life. If you want to watch a video about Stoicism, the path to unshakable strength, please click link above in the video. If you like the video or you don't want to miss further videos about Stoicism, please subscribe. Till the next time, stay strong and live wisely.